PostGuard can make your ugly bollards and posts look very, very good. PostGuard bollard covers are really colorful. They also increase safety and visibility, plus they pay for themselves by saving on maintenance. And you can select styles like flat top covers, dome top covers, square covers, and decorative covers. They come in a wide variety of diameters and sizes. Most are in stock and we ship them to you fast. PostGuard covers are almost everywhere. Millions have been installed since we began in 2002. We're the largest manufacturer of bollard covers in North America. We also carry a lot of other property protection products like height guard clearance bars, bolt-down bollards, flexible bollards, removable bollards, and light pole guards. Take a look around our website or give us a call. PostGuard is your one-stop for property protection products.